Okay, so I welcome you all to our third keynote talk. And Dr. Zakirul Alam Bhuya, he is an assistant professor in Fordham University, USA. He will deliver the keynote talk. And our Honorable Professor Rakibul Mustafa, Dean, School of Science and Engineering, United International University, he will be the chair of this session. So I'm requesting Professor Rakibul Mustafa to start the session. Sir.
Okay, thank you very much, Professor Sarikul Islam. Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all to this very interesting session where we'll be listening to Professor Alam Bhuiya and his topic. So just a little bit about our speaker. Our speaker, I'll go through a very short bio. He's currently an assistant professor in the Department of Computer and Information Sciences at Fordham University, New York City, USA. And he's the director of Dependable and Secure System Research Lab at that university and affiliated with Fordham Center for Cybersecurity. And prior to that, he has worked as an assistant professor at Temple University. His research focuses on dependability, cybersecurity, big data, emerging CPS, IoT applications. And Dr. Bhuiya authored and co-authored over 130 publications, including journal transaction articles, and 8 book chapters, 3 books. And his publication appeared in a rich collection of IEEE transactions and many. So if somebody is interested, he can search him in the web and find all these papers. And he has served as a lead guest editor and associates editor for key journals, including IEEE, TII, SEM, TOMM, and many more. And 11 of his research papers have become the ESI highly cited papers, and 2 of them have become hot paper in computer science fields. He has also served as general chair, program chair, workshop chair in across many conferences and many events. So the keynote title of this presentation is Trustworthy Data Transmission in Internet of Things. And our speaker, as you know, Zakirul Alam Bhuiya. So without going to summary, I think I'll hand over the stage to the speaker, and I'll let him take it from here and continue the presentation. Thank you very much. Please, Dr. Alam Bhuiya.
Thank you, Professor Rakibul Mustafa, so for the nice introductions. Let me open my slides. So can you see my slides?
Yes, they are visible and you're audible.
Okay. Thank you everyone for attending the conference and the sessions. So this is MD Zakirul Alam Bhuiya. Shortly, you can call me Alam, and people in the community, they used to know me as Alam, especially in China, in the US. So my talk, the title of my talk is Trustworthy Data Transmissions in Internet of Things. And I have been working in this area, data trustworthiness and system trustworthiness, for over 10 years. So we are going to talk about some issues in the Internet of Things, how we can believe the data that we are collecting, or we should not believe. So this is, I will introduce, and it is going to be a new trend. Like, as you know that you have been the witness last 1 or 2 weeks, there is a large cyber attack in the in different United States systems, including the government systems. So this reminds us that data trustworthiness would be very interesting and very important in the future. Like, we have systems, everything's out there, but the data will not be trusting in the future. And you see that we have many systems. We have computer systems, we have mobiles, a lot of devices we have, but we will not be believing our data in the future. So that would be interesting topics in the future soon. So I'm currently working as an assistant professor in the Fordham University, also affiliated with a university in China as a professor. I'm leading here a lab, which is called Dependable and Secure System Lab. We try to address dependability problems under this lab. So thank you, the organizer, all the organizers who have been dedicating their time for this conference, and also inviting me as one of the speaker here. So thank you for the chances. So the outline of my talk here, I will start with the trustworthy data, give you a realizations, what is trustworthy data? And then I will describe like how the data can be untrustworthy. There's some situations I will highlight. And then why do we need the untrustworthy, removal of untrustworthy data to make trustworthy data? And I will show you a few potential solutions, and 4 solutions I will provide, and some discussions. The first, let's see what is trustworthy data. This is the situations from a street in the Manhattan. So you can see like if it is in the midnight, sometimes like you are walking in the street, so you have devices. Everyone's around, we have lots of devices. We can say we are connected to the Internet of Things, lots of devices are there. And in the future, we will be like being